Hello guys, this is Gopal speaking and welcome back to my CircuitWarp channel. In this channel, you'll be learning about the whole IT things. So if you are interested on the IT field, then please kindly hit that like and subscribe buttons and do not forget to hit that bell icons so you will not miss my video. So let's dig into the topics. In today's episodes, we'll be talking about the how to add an employee and how to add a user in the biometric security system. First, let me navigate through the user management system in your biometric device, where all the user interface is managed. So once you are in the user management sections, select the options to add a new user, and you may prompt to enter the administrative credentials to proceed it. The next step is to import the necessary information for the new user or employee, such as their name, their ID, and any other requirement details. Some system may require to capture biometric data, such as fingerprint or facial recognitions. If you are not capturing, then it will not save. In some system, it will be saved. Okay. I have already inserted the usernames as a user ID as a 999 and a name as an admin. So I'm going to register my fingerprint for the 3 times. I have to tap it on the sensor. So you can add the badge card also if you have it in your organizations. After registering the fingerprints and the badge card, it's time to register your facial ID. So now let's move to the facial ID registrations process.
Focus eyes inside the green box. Focus eyes inside the green box. Please raise your head. Please lower your head. Thank you.
Well, you have successfully added the one user at least, so you can see in the screen. I'm going to demonstrate you with adding another user account on this device. So let's give a random name or random number. It can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a random name, anything. If you are interested on adding enroller accounts on the device, so enroller accounts, what it does is in the bigger industrial sector, it will be assigning one user so they can add an employee on the site's office. So if you want to learn and if you want to see how to add an enroller account on the device and how to assign the user role, then please check my upcoming video. You have successfully added a new employee or a user into your biometric device to enhance the security and the access control in your organization. Stay tuned for more tutorials and tech insights on CircuitWarp channel. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest update. Until the next time, happy coding.